Nah, man. Oh my.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Man, this is nice. Yeah, for real. Yeah. I mean, I'm a Camaro guy, but respect. This is nice, man. Yeah. What is this yours? How much horsepower? Man. And then how much does this thing weigh?
I honestly don't know.
I bet you it books though, man.
She goes pretty good.
Yeah, man. This is like a work of art, man.
Yeah, it was a 5-year build.
5? Yeah, I believe it. I believe it. Yeah, man. It is beautiful. Do you mind starting it up? This is what real American muscle sounds like here. Man, this thing's beautiful. Nah, man. Oh my God.
That sounds amazing. Do it again. Do it again. Yeah.
Oh man. You cannot duplicate that, man. Yeah. Man, yo, amazing vehicle, dude.
That is.
And I think you did it perfect because yours is manual. Oh, perfect. Man, look at the instrument panel, man.
For real, that's amazing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I've never seen one this clean, man.
Oh, and then you got the 8-ball stick shit. Right there. Oh my God.
Yeah, you did it right. You did it right. own is this?
Mine.
Man, this thing is nice, dude.
I wish it was mine.
Dude, I had a 19 STI, but then when I looked at how much it costs to modify it, I was like, it's expensive, man.
Yeah.
They
Especially
are,
when you start doing like engine mods.
yeah, dude, trust me, I know. So
It gets crazy, man. I'm like, the tuner guy, like, to get the car tuned, they're like, no, we want you to buy this, and that first.
before, yes,
All that, and
yeah.
then come back. I'm like, oh my god.
I started like I got what did I go with? No, actually I ordered an Access port and NVIDIA exhaust.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Yeah, and then I started and I added up and I was like, you know what? Nah, I sent it back. I was like, I can't. Yeah, because it was gonna cost like to get it where I wanted like $7,000-8,000.
Yeah,
you know,
expensive,
so
man.
yeah.
I met a guy 2 days ago with a 600 horsepower STI.
Mhm.
Paid $25,000 to get the engine redone. I'm like, no.
Trust me, man. I know. So I got a YouTube channel called Race Car Friends, and we feature different people every now and then. We just featured an 800 horsepower Subaru on there, and you know he blew up that engine like twice.
That's one thing with Subaru owners.
Yeah.
Blow up the engine. Blow up the
Yeah,
engine.
yeah. You have to love it. You know, you have to love it.
You know, and
Yeah.
that's one thing. Like when you put so much horsepower on this thing, you gotta redo the internals on these engines. You can't just pull all that crap on and just go for it.
Yeah,
No,
man.
it will destroy it, man.
Well, he ended up going, I think, with a IAG closed deck. You know, yeah. So now he's reliable. You know.
Exactly. See, that's my main thing. I want to stay as reliable as possible.
So what horsepower are you at?
I never got it dyno.
For real? So
It's a stage 2. I got all the stage 2 stuff.
okay.
Got a dyno.
Okay. Stage 2, I think you could be there all day and you'll be fine.
It's fine. You know?
Yeah.
It's just enough horsepower for me, and it kicks up pretty good.
Yeah,
I'm fine with
man.
that.
See, I wish I had your discipline. Yeah, because like I know if I would have gotten that much, and then I would have been like, man, maybe I could go a little bit further, and then that's when the boom happens, you know?
Yeah, my wife will kill me. Like, she rides in it now.
Right.
I don't want her to, because when I first got the car, my first exhaust was a NVIDIA N1.
Right.
Single exit.
Right.
Catless, straight pipe.
Ooh,
She was like,
that
"Listen,
was, yeah,
I
that
don't
would have been
wanna
loud.
tear this thing
Yeah,
away from me." So
yeah,
I swapped my exhaust out. Now she gets in there and everything.
yeah.
So
It's funny how that works, man. My wife like influenced my decisions because she didn't like the seats in the STI. She felt it was so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, I swapped out of that, got into a Golf R. Then she started making fun of the Golf R, saying it was too small. So so I just got into the Camaro, and now she's like, she's all right.
Oh, you got a Camaro?
Yeah.
Nice. With the black one right there?
Yeah.
Nice. Check it out real quick.
Yeah.
Check it out.
I mean, it's 100% stock, so it's nothing. Is this yours? The dog got me. The dog got me. Oh man, yeah, that's hilarious. Good one. Yeah, man.
I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Wednesday, Monday, go. Saturday, through Sunday, Monday. Baby, I love you more than baby, what's up, big bro? Till then, I'll be right on that runway.
Joey. Is this another car I don't know about?
No, they trade the Ferrari.
Huh?
They trade the Ferrari.
For real? What are you thinking about getting?
This.
For real?
630 horsepower. Four-door.
I mean, but the Ferrari, man, come on, man. Oh, if you're gonna trade the Ferrari, go Lambo. You know what I'm saying? Why not? It's like, I mean, this is nice, but you know, or what about that one? Well, not the convertible, but like, huh?
I don't like the new one.
Yeah. Dude, I love that Ferrari.